Hi everybody. Since 2014, when I created two types of portfolio, one was with different strategy. One was since 2012 when I created this portfolio and bought 12 US companies stocks. Since then, I did not touch. I did not have any transaction, material transaction. If some dividends, I reinvested. That's true, but generally, I did not sell and buy and things like that. So since then, I had on average 23%. So I did not touch. First, I bought and I hold, and that's it. And second one, second portfolio, a little bit late I created, but thing was, strategy actually was I wanted to find some companies. I of course don't have material there transactions, too many transactions. But sometimes I sell very rarely, very rarely. Maybe in a single year I can have 2 3 transactions, maybe more. 2020 I did not have any transaction, and since then I had 33% return. So when you analyze and think about these opportunities, I bet more than twice, yeah, more than 2 times this Standard and Poor index. You can find out that there are some aspects or some fundamental, how can I say, factors. If you check this, you just analyze this and this match your expectation, these factors, yeah, like 10 factors for each stock. With huge probability, this stock which you bought will be very successful. This is very difficult to do because I have qualitative and quantitative analysis all the time. I just check some of the components of that, and I check this one is right, this one is right, this one is right. If match, for instance, 5, the most important, and 10, little bit less important, these factors, with huge probability stock will do well. So this I know how to do, and since 2014 I did not have losing transaction. That's true. All all stocks which I bought since then and hold it in these two portfolios, I have only gains, and that's it. And I already mentioned what kind of gains. Maybe some people say, okay, this is happened. That was good luck to have 23%. And okay, what's about other one which I bought with different strategy and had more than 25% return? Yeah, and I did not have losing transaction. I mean, every stock I bought, they are winning and they have good profits. So, if you analyze qualitative and quantitative factors, these 10 most important aspects, and you define and those 10 factors, yeah, match your expectation, you nearly 99.99% sure that this stock will play very nicely and will make for you very good profit. So this not difficult if you know where to look, what to check, what to analyze. It's not that difficult. So okay, this is the all as the statistics, all the records which I have. You can ask me about this and what is the strategy, and we can talk if you have any interest of creating portfolio or do some other things which will have these portfolios which have alpha returns. That means your return will be much higher than your expected return or risk. Yeah, all my returns, all my stock portfolio returns create alpha. So this, maybe some people say this is not true. I can show you any records. It's not difficult. For instance, technology company. If I check and there's 5 factors, very important factors, I'm with 99% sure that it will play very nicely. This is the this is fundamental analysis, and but what about qualitative analysis, qualitative analysis? I know where to look and what to check. You have to be sure that you're choosing the right stock. It's very difficult, but if you have knowledge, you have this view of all those stocks, and you learn in due course. Yeah, just check and learn every day. You have already know what will be winning stocks or not winning stocks. So it's not that difficult and not complicated. If you need any advice or portfolio management, just contact me, no problem. So we will discuss and show you my records, which is everything, historical records I will show you. Yeah, and you will be sure that all my chosen and picked stock. I'm a stock picker, and this is the not very easy. All my stocks since 2014 in those 2 portfolios are winners. So it's not difficult, and it's not only one stock. I mean, so if you have any questions or something, please contact me, and I'm free to answer all your questions. Have a nice day. Bye.